You're like a skinned vegetable, only smarter.
Put my windows back!
No problem, Squidward. We're on your side.
We interrupt our regular programming to activate the Amber Child Abduction Network. Please stand by for further information. Of the North Texas Amber Alert Network. We need your help. We are looking for 6-year-old Ava Smith. She is black and weighs 150 pounds. Last seen in Dallas. She has brown eyes and was wearing a purple shirt with blue jeans at the time of the abduction. The victim is 44-year-old and